Hello guys, I am at China Bistro right now. It's a Chinese restaurant. So I decided to visit three different restaurants on different days and rate them for you so that y'all can make a choice, but this choice is according to me. So y'all can judge accordingly and decide. So as soon as you step into a Chinese restaurant, you should order for Chinese tea, which is actually free of cost. So if y'all did not know about that, good, now I made it aware to you. So here I have ordered for prawns tempura sushi. So sushi is a Japanese dish and it is really amazing. It's a one bite dish. So every time you put it in your mouth, it's really amazing. There's a burst of flavors in your mouth. So this is a drink which goes along very well with the Chinese food, and it is daiquiri in lemon juice, and it's tangy and amazing. It's very refreshing and I love to have this.
If you are watching this video and have not subscribed to me, please subscribe immediately.
So here I am preparing myself to attack the sushis. So here is my chopstick. So try your hand on chopsticks guys and train yourself to handle it. It's really easy. You should hold it like a pen and you should put the entire sushi in your mouth like this and start biting on it. It really tastes amazing. So this is wasabi, the green thing which is kept over there, and it's really very pungent and very strong to taste, so have just a small pinch of it. So it tastes really amazing. It goes very well with sushi. So you should always have a bite of sushi and then a bite of wasabi. Oops! Yes, so these blunders do happen when you use chopsticks. So here goes my sushi into my mouth and it's really tasty. Look at the wasabi, the quantity has reduced after eating it. So here are my prawn bao, and bao means buns in Chinese. So they make these buns and stuff prawns into it and it's really tasty, but it's very filling. So after having a bao, you cannot eat much of anything else after that, so it's really filling but very tasty nonetheless. And go for it guys. I would suggest you all to have this authentic Chinese dishes and it's really tasty. So next dish is my main course, which is lemongrass chicken and veggies noodles. So this also was good, it was tasty, but the service guys had done some blunder. They had bought something else before and I said it was not rice which I had ordered for noodles. So then they brought my noodles and they gave it to me, and here I am eating my noodles. So the service is a little slow over here, but they can improve. I have come to this restaurant many times, around 4 to 5 times, and every time there is something or the other which takes place as per service is concerned. So now I'm done and I'm leaving the restaurant. So take a look at the ambience from outside. They have kept these Mongolian guys over here, the idols of Mongolian guys, and it's really amazing. This is the main door, main entrance, and these guys are good for a selfie, So I would rate China Bistro for taste 4, ambience would be 4, value for money is 3, and service, like I said to you earlier, it is 2 because they have to improve. And many things, even the Chinese tea which they served me was cold. I had to remind them 3 to 4 times to serve me Chinese tea. But yes, you should order for a Chinese tea every time you visit a Chinese restaurant, and because it goes really well with the Chinese food and it clears your palate very well while eating your food. So guys, enjoy yourself. So the next place which I visited was Beirut at Powai. This was on another day which I had gone. So this place serves Greek, Egyptian, Turkish, all the Mediterranean food. So this is at Powai. Look at the place around the restaurant at Powai. So this is the main entrance of Beirut. There is a sit out area too where you can enjoy your food outside if you feel like. So wintry nights are great sitting out and having food with your friends. So now I entered Beirut and here I am enjoying the ambience. So the ambience is really beautiful over here and it really feels good. It's a fine dining restaurant, so if you are taking your loved one or sweetheart, it's the best place to go. So here comes my drink. This is Drink Like an Egyptian. It's a rum based drink along with sugarcane juice. It's a rare combination, but it's amazing. Believe me, you all can always order for this. It's so good, so tasty, especially for ladies because it's a sweet drink. So here I am enjoying my drink and that was great. So this is a starter called Zatar chicken. It's really flavorful dish. It has the right kind of spices and it's really so fragrant and so aromatic. I really love this and it is served along with some sour cream and it tastes authentic. It's really an amazing dish and I would totally recommend you all. So after this I even had a main course of lamb and rice, Moroccan rice, but I couldn't make a clip of it and I'm very sorry, so I cannot show you that. But after that I ended the meal with this khajur date stuffed with almonds and it was so tasty. But this is free, we don't have to pay for this. It comes in the end, you know, when you have to pay your bill. So I ended my meal and I went away with a very happy tummy. So you get really amazing desserts too over here. Go for it. Baklava is really tasty over here. So for Beirut, I would say the taste is 5 because the food is really amazing. It really goes along with our tastes. The ambience is amazing too. It is 4.5, but the restaurant is a little smaller in size. That's why I have given 4.5. Value for money is 4 because it's a little on a higher side, but the portion of food is really good. It's really, you know, filling. And service is 5 because the people really recommend you very well. If you are confused, they really guide you and according to your taste they give you really good food. So suggestions are good. So the third place which I visited some other day was Starbucks, which was at Ville Parle, and over here it's really confusing what to buy because everything is good over here. Everything looks so tempting and you cannot buy everything, right? So you have to buy the right food which you feel like eating on that day. So they had this protocol of social distancing, so they had kept the tables apart. So this is my coffee macchiato, caramel macchiato, and it's really amazing, very tasty, very creamy, frothy, and I really love to have this. It's really amazing. And along with it I ordered for this chicken sheikh pockets, and even this was amazing, guys. And this egg white and chicken in multigrain croissant was so good, so soft, so delicate, and the right kind of spicing. So I really like the seasoning, the spicing, and it went along with my coffee really well. So I would recommend you all to have this. These are the new additions, I think, at Starbucks. So I never found this before because I am a very regular person at Starbucks. But these are the new additions, I think. So that's why this is the first time I'm eating these two snacks. Having coffee at Starbucks is like a treat given to yourself. So whenever you feel tired or you feel low or something, it's always better to step into Starbucks and have amazing coffee or a frappuccino or something like that. So this croissant was really delicate and soft, and it really melted in my mouth. So here goes the mouth melting croissant with egg whites and the amazing coffee. So I was so greedy. Even while going back, I did not go empty handed. I bought an iced jolly baked apple latte. This drink will give me company for the ride back home, and that's why I carried it along. So the ratings for Starbucks goes this way. Taste is 4, ambience is 4, value for money is 3, and service would be 4. Because I think they can actually reduce the rate for coffee, and because everybody would love to have Starbucks coffee, but the cost is so high that everybody is not able to have it regularly. So I would suggest Starbucks and request them to reduce their cost for coffee. So that's all guys for today. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope you all found this helpful, and I hope you all go to these restaurants and eat.
Hey, hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up quickly. Subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Share with your family and friends. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Until next time, keep it simple. Simply City.